Hello, YouTube. Thought I'd do a quick follow-up on the SURECOM meters. As you know, I did post a video about the accuracy or lack of. I emailed SURECOM. We went back and forth on this, and pretty much what the answer is, well, the nano VNA is more accurate. So that's pretty much the answer I got from them. I've had my SURECOM meter longer or beyond the time to send it back, so I can't send it back. So that's pretty much what they say. The model that I have is the SURECOM 33 Plus. There's also a gentleman in my Zello channel that bought a brand new 102 model, and he had the same problem. It did not read accurately for SWRs. Now we're talking about the wattage on the meter may be okay. We're talking SWR, and what I mean is if I hook it up, and he had the same problem. Didn't matter if it was a 102. It didn't matter if it was the 33. Those are the two models we're talking about. If I hooked up to a antenna, and that antenna read 1.5 using the nano VNA, and then I hook up this meter, the SURECOM meter, it'd say 1.01. So, I don't know about you, but that makes me kind of nervous, because if I'm running higher SWRs than what the meter's telling me, I could damage my equipment. So, pretty much SURECOM's answer was, well, the nano VNA is more accurate when it comes to that. First, they try to tell me, well, the model that I have is the 33 Plus. First, they try to tell me you got to have 3 watts or more. If you have anything less than 3 watts, it won't be accurate. And I believe it even says that in the owner's manual somewhere. I think it does say something about 3 watts or something. I don't remember. And I wrote back saying, well, I have the radio in high power. It's putting over 4 watts. So that shouldn't be the issue. Read the same thing. 1.01 SWR when it's supposed to be 1.5. So I'd rather it read a little high than too low. If I had to pick. So, and I had my SURECOM meter way 4 or 5 months, so I can't send it back. I'm stuck with it. There are adjustments on the circuit board. And maybe, and I emphasize the word maybe, I can tweak it to be a little more accurate. I don't know. I don't want you guys doing that, because you got to have something to compare it with. So don't be taking your SURECOMs apart. There's one that says antenna and one that says radio, I think. So I'm assuming the radio is the wattage and the antenna is the SWR. Again, don't do this unless you have something to compare it with. And mark it first before you adjust it with a marker so you can put it back if you're going to tinker with it. But if it is adjustable, or if I come up with something, obviously I'll make a video on it. So that's what's going on there. So just be careful when you use your SURECOMs. I like I said, 1.01 when it's supposed to be 1.5 makes a person kind of wonder. So just be careful. I know one of the gentlemen in my Zello channel bought a analog meter, and it works really good. It's actually pretty accurate when you compare it to the nano VNA. So it was like $30, I think it was. So there you have it. So if you need something accurate, probably should get an analog one. There might be digital ones out there that might be accurate. I don't know. If there is one, if there's something accurate, then post it down below in the comments below. If you can 100% tell me that's going to read accurate, a digital one, post that down below. And it'd be nice to know, because maybe there is one out there. I don't know. But I know the analog one was pretty close when the guy in my Zello channel compared it to his nano. It was pretty close to what the nano read. Of course, with analog, you have to count little tick mark, little slashes, so it can be a little difficult to read compared to a digital. But nevertheless, it was really, really close. So there's the update on the SURECOM. It is what it is. That's pretty much, that's it. So can't compare it to a nano VNA. That's way more accurate. I don't get that myself. You think if I buy a meter that's supposed to be for SWR, it should be fairly close. I'm not saying it's going to be 110% accurate compared to an analyzer, but I mean, I'd feel a little better if my SURECOM would have read. Heck, I'd be kind of happy with 1.3, not 1.01, compared to the actual reading 1.5. So I'd take 1.3 at this point, but nope, they don't do that. So at any rate, I thought I'd make a quick video about that. I know people may be wondering what happened. That's what happened, pretty much nothing. So there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.